Hello, my name is Rebecca Saad, and I'm the Chief U.S. Pretrial Services Officer for the Western District of Texas. I would like to take the next few moments to explain to you what we do and the type of assistance we can provide. This may be your first experience with the court system or your first experience with the federal system. In a nutshell, our basic job is to help you succeed while under supervision, but to also protect the public. You may have heard many different things about pretrial services, or you may have some of your own ideas about what happens in this office. You should know that our success truly hinges on your success, and that we are here to partner with you as you go through this legal process. You're not alone, but we do have high expectations for you, as you should have for yourself. Another important role we play is ensuring the safety of the public, which could mean addressing past behavior that has put you or the public in jeopardy. We do this by enforcing strategies or conditions that have been imposed by the court, those being your conditions of release. While you are on supervision, you will be treated with respect and courtesy by your officer and all staff here in pretrial services. Your officer will help you comply with these conditions. Open and honest communication will build that relationship and will guide the officer as to your needs. To that end, your officer may be able to help you secure a job, get a GED, secure a driver's license, obtain substance abuse counseling or mental health counseling, or obtain other services if you have the need. In return, we ask that you treat us with respect and do your part. That means you should be committed to working or going to school, reporting when required, keeping counseling or other appointments, and most importantly, living a crime-free lifestyle, mindful of the environment and people you associate with. While our primary focus is helping you to succeed and transforming and stabilizing past behavior that has led to your involvement here, we are also responsible to the community and to the court itself. You see, we are the eyes and the ears of the court, and should you fail to uphold your end of the bargain by not abiding by the conditions of release, your officer is required to report this behavior to the court. Believe me when I say we take no delight in seeing anyone go back to jail, but there are times when we are forced to make that recommendation to the judge. If you commit new crimes, continually use illegal drugs, or do other things that violate your conditions of release, that will be reported to the court and could result in your return to custody. The last thing I would like for you to remember, that if you are truly trying to succeed, we will do everything we can to help you. As I said when I opened, our success is measured in your success. I wish you the very best as you begin this journey. I know it is a very stressful time for both you and your loved ones, but pretrial is here to help you along the way. All the best.
Hello, my name is Carlos Urrutia. I am the Deputy Chief of U.S. Pretrial Services for the Western District of Texas. If you're watching this video, most likely you have been placed on bond or under pretrial diversion. It does not matter why you are here. The goal of our agency and staff is the same. We are committed to providing the court with quality service. We work directly for the federal courts, more specifically, the judges. It is our job to provide the judge with accurate, factual, and verified information about you so they can be better informed when making decisions about you and your case. We do not work for the prosecutor, defense counsel, or the agents who arrested you, and that is very important to understand. We have an impartial role and are committed to preserving the constitutional rights of the accused, so we have no other motive than to ensure you are treated fairly throughout the process. If you are here because you've been placed on bond, we want to ensure that you are present for your court hearing and you comply with your bond conditions. Serving as the first step in the correctional process, one of our goals is to help you succeed and be a productive member of society. We have access to many community resources to assist you. So for us to properly assist you, you must let us know what issues you are facing and your struggles. It is in your best interest to have honest and meaningful conversations with your officer, so in turn, we can make appropriate referrals to help you along the way. We also want to know about your achievements and successes, so we may notify the court of your progress. If there's anything we can do to help you, please speak with your officer. If they can assist in resolving your issue, you can always request to speak with their supervisor. In closing, we are here to help you and want you to succeed, and look forward to working with you. Good luck to you.
Hello, my name is George Rodriguez. I am the Assistant Deputy Chief of the U.S. Pretrial Services Office of the Western District of Texas. The following is our mission statement. We are committed to preserving the constitutional rights of those accused, reducing unnecessary detention, enhancing the safety of our community, serving as the first step in the correctional process, and providing quality service of the court. Now that you are on pretrial supervision, we have some individuals who would like to share their stories of the impact pretrial services made on their lives.
Pretrial has helped me in many ways. For one, it gave me the opportunity to get out and enjoy my freedom while my case was pending. Because it can be stressful being incarcerated and not being able to be close to your family during these difficult times. While in pretrial, I realized that I am not getting any younger, but time was flying by. I was getting older, I had a drug addiction, and I was living in denial the entire time. I thought I was in control of the drug, but the drug slowly took over my life once again. So I decided to reach out for help, and pretrial helped me find that help I needed. At the beginning, I was confused and debated with myself about the needing help. But as time went by, and as I attended classes, I realized that I put myself in this situation. I've also met individuals who are going through worse situations. With the support of my wife and family, and of course treatment through pretrial services, I've turned my life around. I'm 26 now, and many would say it's too late, but I believe that late is better than never. I'm very grateful for pretrial because it was one of the many important pieces to changing my life. Now I've been sentenced to 57 months, but I feel good. I'm happy to know that this will be the last time. I know that soon I will have the life I've always wanted. No more gangs, guns, violence, or drugs. My focus is now my family and being successful in life.
While awaiting the outcome of my case, I was granted a bond and placed on pretrial supervision, and I did not have to wait in federal custody. Because I was a heavy drug user, I was court-ordered to attend a rehabilitation center. While in rehabilitation, I learned the tools to successfully stay sober. I was also able to reconnect with God. After rehabilitation, pretrial allowed me to remain on bond. I went back to work, attended AA and NA meetings, and attended church. These things, along with random drug testing, helped me to stay sober and become a productive part of my community. Pretrial showed care and concern in my sobriety and my life. With the help of pretrial, I remained on bond while awaiting my sentence in the federal courts. Pretrial has helped me change my life for the better, and for this I'm very grateful.
Mi nombre es Celinés Álvarez y mi experiencia con servicios previos al juicio ha sido positiva, ya que cuando empecé este programa yo no quería darme cuenta que yo tenía un problema. Al principio yo pensé que este programa era como un castigo para mí, pero yo empecé a escuchar los consejos que mi oficial me daba y entendí que yo no era sincera conmigo misma. Empecé consejería por un tiempo y me ayudó mucho a controlar mi ansiedad y a entender que yo estaba mal, que vivía como una doble vida, que me hacía daño yo y a mi familia. Yo le doy gracias a Dios porque este proceso difícil que estoy pasando por tomar malas decisiones, el programa me ha ayudado mucho. Ellos me han dado la confianza y la ayuda que yo necesitaba. Abrieron mi mente y me hicieron entender el problema que tenía y me ayudaron a arreglarlo.
With these insightful testimonies, please keep the following expectations in mind. Report as directed. Be prepared to provide copies of the following: transcripts, school records, pay stubs, your lease agreement, medication information, and your driver's license or identification card. Home visits are required. Attend all treatment appointments as required. Be truthful about your circumstances. Work together with your officer. Respect and honesty are crucial. The pretrial process also includes the attendance of court proceedings. Suggestions for court are the following: keep in touch with your attorney and officer for court dates, times, and expectations of scheduled hearings and meetings. Be early. Dress appropriately. For males, slacks, a collared shirt, and a tie are appropriate. For females, dresses, skirts, slacks, and a blouse are appropriate. Always address the judge respectfully, loudly, and clearly.
In summary, ask for help and accept the assistance.
Help us help you to be successful.
U.S. Pretrial Services is here to help you along the way.